get it in there. Wait a second. There we go. Come on. Yeah, yummy. Is it good? Look at his face. He really likes it. Are you getting the whole thing with the syringe and everything?
Yep.
You're a good boy.
Now me do the spoon.
Now hang on. All right. You got to get it all on the spoon.
It's still on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh.
You got to put it in his mouth. That's it. Is it yummy, Tori? Oh, you beautiful little boy. Tori loves his slippery elm with yogurt and Protexin. Yes, it's good stuff, isn't it, Tori? Yummy. Huh? All gone, is it? All gone? You're in his, yeah, that's it.
Naughty flies.
Yeah. All gone, darling.
Like feeding a baby.
It is a little bit, especially if you do the whole wipe it off his chin with a spoon. He just is so funny. He loves it.
Right, it's on your nose. Stop.
No, don't.
Yummy. Get more nose in there. More? Not quite sure what to do with his tongue.